Let's go outside and see what's happening. 12:46. Hopefully you're having a nice Friday morning, Friday afternoon. We have a lot of Friday night football games out there, and of course we're going to be watching the weather. It looks like it'll be quiet tonight. This is visible satellite imagery, and that is not Hermine. That is actually Igor, but not very well defined right now. Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on it, but it is way out. In fact, if you've ever heard us talk about the Cape Verde Islands, that's actually the Cape Verde Islands right there, which are off the coast of Senegal. And they're actually named for that little promontory point right there off the coast of Senegal. It's volcanic eruptions from many, many decades, centuries, what have you, have formed that, and they named it after that. Not green. They say the islands aren't very green, if you ever wanted to know that. Otherwise, pretty quiet. There may be a little bit of activity here southeast of San Juan, the Windward, Leeward Islands. Typically a little bit of cloud cover and a few showers there can give us a little attention, but it's a long way from home. So it's not going to be a Monday morning surprise like Hermine ended up being on Tuesday morning. We knew about it headed into the weekend, or in the latter half of the weekend, and then heading into the holiday. A lot of folks not knowing what was going on weather-wise, and it popped up on Tuesday morning. Now, we do have a little bit of cloud cover across the state. You can see a little bit of scattered cloud cover there, a little more cloud cover to the southwest. Not producing any showers, and we're not too concerned about any rain for us. There is a little bit of rain out there near the Odessa area, Midland area. It's certainly not threatening at the moment. There were some showers and thunderstorms yesterday that got to severe thunderstorm levels, but not for us. A little bit of weather up to the northeast. That is all that is left of Hermine out there over near St. Louis, between St. Louis, Cincinnati, and Memphis. At the moment for us, it is just scattered cloud cover, 87 degrees. Winds out of the south-southwest at 13 miles per hour. Humidity at 59%. Temperatures right now in the 80s. We have the 90 in San Marcos. We have the 79 in Fredericksburg, but everybody else in the 80s right now. Getting close to the 90-degree mark. 88 in LaGrange, 88 in Georgetown, 88 here out of the airport, 87 over at Camp Mabry. You can see some temperatures in the mid-80s, all the way down to 82, in fact, in Burnet, 84 in Lampasas, 86 in Lakeway, 83 in Blanco. Have the cloud cover out to the west. Talked about the shower possibilities there. We've had a little bit of low cloud cover. We've had just enormous amounts of rainfall, and you know that. But you probably also know that the grounds are saturated. We get the sun back in here, things start evaporating, and we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and we pick up the early morning clouds. We'll do that again tomorrow morning. It's just not going to cool down much. Those clouds tend to hold the temperature steady overnight. It will cool a little bit, but when we clear the skies out, that's when we get the cooler mornings, and this weekend is just not going to be one of those weekends. We'll kind of grin and bear it, I guess, through the weekend, but the possibilities for showers are present for Saturday and Sunday, and that may cool us down a little bit if we do get kind of hot and some rain comes in, but there's not going to be much of a break otherwise. All right, there are the showers there. Let me show you the forecast model. A couple of coastal showers. Our forecast model tends to get a little bit crazy on them. I have showers out towards Galveston, Houston area. That we know we have on radar, but 12 noon it was showing showers here. I think it's off. I don't think it's there. So if we did have showers develop down between, say, Port Lavaca and Corpus Christi, it's going to take a little while. I don't think they'll be able to get all the way here. I'd be surprised if they did. What we do see as a possibility for showers is a front coming in. That's going to be tomorrow evening. You can see the earliest stages of it. Now, this is Saturday, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you're sleeping in, won't even matter. But if you're up and about in the afternoon hours, you can see some showers and thunderstorms forming up. That's 6:15 as it rolls in. So keep an eye on the radars. We have iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry apps available, or our mobile.kxan.com site or kxan.com. We got you covered every which way. Double check. Make sure you don't have any storms coming your way. We could have a little bit of lightning in it if it does develop. A couple of areas could do so for tomorrow evening, so best to keep an eye on that. It's not going to cool us down much, though. 94 for the high today. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10. Tonight, 77, and the 7 days ahead, well, not cooling down much is what I said. You know, instead of heating up to crazy numbers, we'll go up to the mid-90s. We've got 10% chance for showers into the evening hours. It may bump up a little bit, and then after that, we dry up, and, well, it's 70s to 90s all the way through Thursday.